I vowed when I started a YouTube channel that I would never, ever mutter the words, "Welcome back to my channel." Apart from then, that will be the only time you ever hear it. Welcome to my humble abode. Wait, does abode mean house or bedroom? Most of the time when I speak on camera I forget how to use the English language, so ignore literally everything I say. Okay, cheers. I'm trying to work out which is the best angle for me because I have an extremely round head. You've probably noticed if you've seen me talking in videos before. You could draw a circle and it would be perfect for my face. You're just going to kind of follow me around as I discover my third pattern. I say discover, I've already discovered it, I'm starting to make it, so you can watch me do that. I'm also making the Patina Blouse by Friday Pattern Company, which is a really, really cute pointed collar blouse. It's been making the rounds on Instagram in the last couple of weeks and they had a discount, so I couldn't stop myself from buying it. So yeah, I'll be sewing that. I'll show you some of the sort of behind the scenes of my pattern making because I know a lot of people are quite interested in how that all works. And then just some other random stuff along the way. So enjoy. One of the most fun parts about releasing your own PDF patterns is you get to name them. What I'm going to do is go to trusty old Google, and for some reason I feel really like they need to Google Shakespearean names. I don't know why. I think it's because this pattern has like a few sort of ruffly frills, and the first thing I thought of was like people on stage doing Shakespeare. So I'm literally just going to type in Shakespearean names. Beatrice, Cordelia, Caius. Is that how you say that? I'm probably going to fuck up the pronunciation of all these names. Ferdinand, Hal, Helena. Okay, these are all a bit tame. I was hoping for like ridiculous ones, like all the silly ones in Midsummer's Night Dream. Here we go. 35 plays with charismatic characters. Albany. Wait, Balthazar? Is that a man's name? Claudius? Claudio? Cornelius? Wait, I don't know why I'm saying all men's names because obviously this is a women's top, so it needs to be women's. Is this just male? Oh yeah, we're on boys' names. That will be why. Let's go to all the way down. Girls' names, here we go. Adriana, Cassandra, Calpurnia. That's from Julius Caesar. That's a strange name. Desdemona, Cymbeline, Cressida, Gertrude. Weirdly, Gertrude is the name I always like comes to my head when you have to think of a name like just instantly. It's always Gertrude. I have no idea why. It's such a weird name. Sorry to anyone called Gertrude out there. Not that there's thousands of people watching these videos. Iris, that's quite cute. I feel like that might have been used before with some other patterns. What's the trouble? Trying to find something unique. Luciana, Mariana, Octavia, Portia, Sylvia, Valentine, Valeria. Nothing is speaking to me. I want like really ridiculous names. 22 vintage Shakespeare baby girl names. These are probably all going to be the same. Ophelia, Patience, Serenity, Rosalind, Cordelia, Lavinia, Beatrice, Paola, Phoebe, Helena, Gertrude. I should just call the top Gertrude and get it over with. Hermia, Hippolyta, is that how you say that one? Demetrius, Lysander. Character list, Midsummer's Night Dream. Oberon, Titania, Lysania, Demetrius, Hermia, Helena. Hermia's quite cute, but does it sound too much like hermit crab? Will anyone think that? Am I just strange? So here's my latest pattern. I'm not sure how well you can see that because I'm having to film the screen. I should probably just use screen recorder. No, that's worse. I think that's better. So we have long sleeve, a little frilly cuff before the end of the sleeve with the back bodice and the front bodice. And then we have the two neck pieces. Now they aren't, that's not a collar, it's more like an insert piece. And then we're gonna have some frilly ruffles. So all I need to do is add some seam allowance, 1.5 centimetres around all the edges that will be sewn into seams. Ooh, one wrong my voice there. And then I'll be printing it out and cutting out some fabric and making a practice one, so watch this space. Okay, first things first, I must clean the disgusting mess that is my sewing office. I'm a bit embarrassed. But yeah, I should clean the workspace. Makes for a clearer mind. Much better. Most important tool in my whole sewing office. My trusty mallet. I put a jumper on because it's fucking cold in my house. And we're poor, so we're trying to save on oil. So it's tough being me because I have to wear a jumper instead of put the heating on. First world issues. Anyway, here is the start of my patina blouse. It's just a collar at the moment. Ignore this dress. This is an old dress I made a few weeks ago. I just put it there because I wanted to kind of see what it would look like going around a neckline. Anyway, I'm extremely chuffed with how well these came out because this fabric is so like slinky and like slippery. It's a fucking nightmare to work with. This probably shows it better. This is the two front pieces. I'm just starting to do the darts. But yeah, it is like, you can see how silky it is. So this is probably going to be a challenge. It's just before midnight and I'm absolutely knackered, but I thought I would just on the patina blouse. So, finish the collar with the facing, so it's all lovely. And I've done my 2 button plackets. And I've sewn the sleeves in, so I just need to join these sides tomorrow. And then put the buttons on and hem the bottom. And just as a little treat, here is the cutest boy in the world. Hello. He's so lovely. So lovely. Good boy. You look extremely cozy. Yes. No. Good boy. So lovely. Happy Friday. Yeah, update on the blouse that I'm making. It's completely finished other than buttons and buttonholes. So I'll be finishing that today. My next pattern that I kind of showed you a bit of earlier in this video, I've hit a bit of a snag with something on the neckline that I'm trying to figure out, so I doubt I'm going to do much more of that in this video. Yeah, pattern making is pretty difficult and there's always kind of things you need to figure out along the way. I did print it yesterday and tried to pin parts of the neckline together and it didn't quite work out, so I think I need to go back to the drawing board on that. But me and Joe are about to go for our morning walk, so yeah, I'll show you some scenery from around the town. Home sweet home. Here is my current progress on the Patina blouse. It's completely finished other than the buttons and the buttonholes. So I've started drawing on where I'm going to place them. I'm really happy with how it's come out. It's so soft, it's going to be so comfortable. Say hello. He looks so shocked. You beautiful. He's like, no mum, put me down. Here's my finished Patina blouse. Looks quite cute tucked in. This pattern was super easy to follow and I'm definitely going to make more of these. This one's obviously like a silky short sleeve, but I'm probably going to make some cotton long sleeve ones for like more wintry style. Love it. I think I'm probably going to end the video here because my pattern making went a bit disastrous, so I'm going to crack on with that and then I'll probably update in the next vlog how that's going. So have a great weekend.